Hello, our previous videos in which first we learned what is Docs, then we learned how to use them step by step, its feature, its tool, and also about these templates you can see on the screen. So, what we are going to learn in today's video? Today we are going to create a project, or we can say we are going to create something with this blank document, and we will revise whatever we have learned so far now. So we can say that this is a revision class or a crash course. If you haven't seen our previous video, then no worries, you can learn from this video as well. So let's start. So as you can see, I have clicked on that blank document, and here is the blank page. So first thing, whenever we are going to create any doc, you should remember that you should decide that for what thing you are creating doc, and according to that you have to create, or we can say set your page according to that. What is the length of page of you want, what should be the margin, decide, and then click on the file. I don't know what happened, but it's stuck here. Yeah, it's loading. Okay, so now first I'm going to create my doc. So here you can rename your document. Let's assume we are creating our project on solar system. So rename this with solar system. Now we are going to create solar system. So go on this file menu. Then here from bottom you can see page setup option, right? Just click on that option, and here you can select if you want your document in a landscape mode, that is it will be horizontal, and if you want it's in a vertical manner, then a portrait form. Okay, then you can select the paper size. If you have to print this document on A4 paper, then select A4. Otherwise you can use tabloid or anything you want. Then page color, if you want to give any page color to this solar system doc, let's give it a space look. Okay, so I'm gonna select black one, and here you can use the margin. If you want to create your doc with a pageless form, then you this option is for you, but we are going to create on the solar system. So yeah, done. And as you can see here, our document page color is completely black. Now the first thing you should remember that here on the A you can see the text color, it's in a black. So on a black we can't write with a black ink, right? So here you can select the colors. So let's give heading with a white color. So I have selected white color, and I need, since it's a heading, create bold and increase the font size, and just write here. And before writing, make sure, if you want to give margins like we have in our notebook page, header and footer, so click on insert button, and here you can see header and footer, and click on the header. So here is our header. Okay, now we are going to write in this header with our white link and increased size. Okay, here are some options for your head. If you want to give page number in a header, just apply. Okay, and as you can see, here is the page number, but I don't want to give this option, so just remove header. And again, if you want to insert, click header. Okay, that's the easiest thing. Now again, bold, and first let's write the heading. The, make it in capital if you want, solar system, and select this letter, increase the font size as you want. If you want to give underline, just click on this U, and just to make it center, here you can see the option center align, left align. Click on the center align. Now you can give it. Yeah, that's the solar system. Okay, so this is how we are giving here heading. Now for solar system we are going to start writing, and let's make the font size little younger. So first thing, any doc, what you do, you write the introduction, right? So here we are also going to write some introductory part about our solar system. So let's write that our solar system is in a Milky Way galaxy, like that. So let's write it properly. Our galaxy Milky Way, I think W is also capital, so Milky Way galaxy, or in Hindi we call it Akash Ganga, right? Akash Ganga and bracket close. Now if you want to highlight this Akash Ganga part, then select this part, and in this part beside this A you can say highlight color option, and you can highlight it with any color you want. Okay, it's not looking good, so let's select some other color, something dark. Yeah, it looks perfect. So this was the heading. Then let's write about its shape. It is spiral in shape. Okay, but what happened here, you can see we highlighted this Akash Ganga and it's coming here. So what we have to do, select this and remove this highlighted part and click on here none. So now it is removed. Okay, now in this section you can see there are suggestions. So this is the thing which is helpful by to do Google Doc, is that when you click on these tools you can see some spelling and grammar check, and if you click on it they'll show you the suggestions. Okay, and if you accept it, it changes automatically. Let's make this O little big. That's it. And Milky Way galaxy, should we underline it? Now I have created keyos over here, right? So here you can click and undo the thing which you don't want. So it is spiral in shape, and what we can write here, and and it consists. Okay, so by mistake I have started my caps lock here, and it contains star, sun as a star, sun, and which is a sun as a star, and 8 other planets. So that's it. This was our 2 line introduction. Now if you want to give this thing as a passage form, what you can do, go on this format, and you can see here paragraph style, right? But we don't need that. Bullets and numbering, no. Columns, line and paragraph spacing. So add space before paragraph, and you can see there here is space before paragraph. If we go on format again and go again on this line and paragraph style, you can see here keep with name